Life gets busy. We find ourselves caught up in the whirlwind of daily responsibilities, from the moment we wake up to the time we finally lay our heads down at night. The hustle and bustle of work, the constant demands of our jobs, and the never-ending to-do lists can make it feel like there's no room for anything else. We juggle jobs, families, and responsibilities. Our days are filled with meetings, deadlines, and the needs of our loved ones. Whether it's helping the kids with their homework, preparing meals, or managing household chores, our time and energy are often stretched thin. It's a delicate balancing act that leaves little room for personal pursuits. It's easy to let friendships slide, especially as we get older. The friends we once saw regularly may now be scattered across different cities or even countries. Our social circles shrink, and the spontaneous hangouts of our youth become rare. We might find ourselves reminiscing about the good old days, scrolling through old photos, and feeling a pang of nostalgia for the connections we once had. Making new friends as an adult can feel awkward or even impossible. The thought of putting ourselves out there, introducing ourselves to strangers, and trying to form new bonds can be daunting. Social events can feel like minefields, filled with small talk and the fear of not fitting in. We might worry about saying the wrong thing or coming across as too eager. We might worry about rejection or feel like we don't have time for new connections. The fear of being turned down or not being accepted can hold us back. We tell ourselves that we're too busy, that we don't have the time or energy to invest in new relationships. But deep down, we know that these connections are important for our well-being. But the truth is, we all need friends, no matter our age. Friendships provide us with support, laughter, and a sense of belonging. They enrich our lives and help us navigate the ups and downs. Whether it's a coffee date with a close friend, a group outing, or a simple chat over the phone, these moments of connection are invaluable. It's time to challenge the idea that making friends is just for kids. We need to recognize that building and maintaining friendships is a lifelong endeavor. It's about being open to new experiences, stepping out of our comfort zones, and making an effort to connect with others. It's about finding common ground and shared interests, and being willing to invest time and energy into these relationships. We can learn to navigate the world of adult friendships and build relationships that bring joy and support. It starts with small steps like reaching out to an old friend, joining a club or group, or simply being more open and approachable in our daily interactions. It's about being patient and understanding that forming new friendships takes time. It starts with understanding the unique challenges we face and finding practical ways to overcome them. By acknowledging the difficulties and actively seeking solutions, we can create meaningful connections that enhance our lives. Whether it's through shared hobbies, mutual goals, or simply being there for each other, adult friendships can be just as fulfilling and rewarding as those we had in our younger years. Friendships aren't just about having fun, although that's a great bonus. Strong social connections are vital to our well-being. They reduce stress, boost our mood, and even improve our physical health. When we have people to talk to, laugh with, and lean on, we feel less alone in the world. Friends offer a sense of belonging and purpose. They remind us that we matter. Investing in friendships is an investment in our overall happiness and longevity. So, you're ready to make some new friends? That's fantastic. Making new connections can be incredibly rewarding and enriching. It opens up new opportunities, perspectives, and experiences that can enhance your life in many ways. Great. The first step is knowing where to look. It might seem daunting at first, but there are plenty of places and ways to meet new people. The key is to be proactive and open-minded. Think about your interests and hobbies. What activities do you enjoy? Whether it's painting, gardening, hiking, or something else, there's a good chance that others share your passions. Where do people who share those passions gather? Join a book club, take a cooking class, or find a local group that meets regularly to discuss and engage in these activities. These settings provide a natural way to connect with others who have similar interests. Volunteer for a cause you care about. Volunteering not only allows you to give back to the community, but also connects you with people who are passionate about the same issues. It's a great way to build meaningful relationships while making a positive impact. Or sign up for a sports league. Whether you're into soccer, basketball, or any other sport, joining a team can be a fun and active way to meet new people. Plus, the camaraderie and teamwork involved in sports can help forge strong bonds. Look for groups or events online that align with your interests. Websites and apps dedicated to social networking and event planning can be incredibly useful. They allow you to find and join groups, attend events, and connect with people who share your passions. Remember, the goal is to put yourself in situations where you're likely to meet like-minded people. Be open to new experiences and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. The more you engage with others, the more opportunities you'll have to form meaningful connections. So, take that first step, explore your interests, and start building those new friendships today. Meeting new people is just the first step. The real magic happens when we turn those initial encounters into meaningful connections. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations. Start by asking open-ended questions that encourage people to share about themselves. Listen actively and show genuine interest in what they have to say. Share a little about yourself, too. Building rapport takes time, so be patient and focus on making authentic connections. Growing your circle, from acquaintances to friends. It's a journey that can be both exciting and rewarding. You've met some cool people, now what? The transition from being mere acquaintances to becoming close friends involves effort and genuine interest. It's time to nurture those budding friendships. Start by finding common interests and activities that you both enjoy. Invite someone to grab coffee, go for a walk, or even explore a new part of town together. These small gestures can pave the way for deeper connections, or attend an event with you. Whether it's a concert, a community gathering, or a local festival, shared experiences can strengthen your bond. The key is to spend time together and create shared experiences. Cooking dinner together, going on a road trip, or even just hanging out at home can be great ways to build memories. Be open to trying new things and stepping outside your comfort zone. Whether it's hiking, taking a dance class, or trying a new sport, these activities can bring you closer. The more you put yourself out there, the more you'll discover about each other. Don't be afraid to share your thoughts, dreams, and even your fears. The more opportunities you'll have to connect with others on a deeper level. Meaningful conversations and shared experiences are the foundation of lasting friendships. So take the initiative, be genuine, and watch your circle of friends grow. Nurturing the bonds, making friendships last. Friendships, like any relationship, require effort and care to thrive. Make time for your friends even when life gets busy. Check in regularly, offer support when needed, and celebrate each other's successes. Be present and engaged when you're together. Put away your phone, listen attentively, and show that you value their company. Remember, strong friendships are built on mutual trust, respect, and understanding. Stepping out of your comfort zone, overcoming fear. Putting yourself out there can be scary. You might worry about rejection, awkward silences, or feeling out of place. That's perfectly normal, but don't let fear hold you back from experiencing the joy of friendship. Start small, challenge yourself to smile at someone new, give a compliment, or strike up a brief conversation. Each interaction, no matter how small, helps build your confidence and makes it easier to connect with others. The gift of connection. How friendships enrich our lives. Friendships are a gift. They bring laughter, joy, support, and a sense of belonging. When we invest in friendships, we invest in our own happiness and well-being. Remember, you deserve to experience the richness and fulfillment that comes from having strong social connections. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Be open to new experiences and nurture the relationships that matter most. You're not alone. Embracing the journey to friendship. Making friends as an adult can be challenging, but it's definitely possible. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Many adults are seeking meaningful connections. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and don't give up. The rewards of friendship are well worth the effort. So go out there, be open to new possibilities, and embrace the joy of connection.